Here, this is the first pour of concrete for unit 5 and 6 at Kaiga, 700 megawatt. And this 700 megawatt, our new brand of reactors, which we will be pursuing now for years to come. It is a pressurized heavy water reactor, safest reactor, and we believe that it is the cheapest reactor at this moment, cheapest for producing electricity per unit. Cost will be much less. And once this is a milestone, because once this activity goes, the next milestone will be when we go to the start loading the fuel. And this place has a 220 megawatt reactor, and we will adding now 1400 megawatt, and it will be quite. When completed, it will be producing sufficient amount of electricity for Karnataka as well as for rest of the. Kaiga we have a space, so we could put not only Kaiga, we are going to other places also. As we say, we will be putting 2 in Aurora, another 2 in Kakrapara, another 2 in Kota. So like that, wherever we have space, we are putting it. So, and here we have the reactors, the site is suitable for that, and there is a capacity to absorb 2 more. So we are putting it. More we cannot put because we don't have area. No. This category of reactors, the pressurized heavy water reactor, we started with a 220, 540, now 700. Everything is indigenously made. Even the components are made in India. So this is one reactor is fully indigenous, and it is ours.